So we now finally get a major hardware upgrade to the camera on Samsung's foldable flagship. The Z Fold 4 now matches identically pretty much to the same camera hardware that is on the S22 Plus that we have right here. Minus the different chipsets using the Exynos 2200 and the S22 Plus versus the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, what is the difference in the camera performance? And we are going to test this in low light and daylight for photos and videos. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our camera comparison between the Z Fold 4 and S22 Plus. Let's kick things off with the rear cameras, starting with landscape photos. When looking at the ultra-wide, the Z Fold 4 does have better shadow detail and a more vibrant image, but the Galaxy S22 Plus looks to have a sharper image overall. When moving to the main sensor, things stay consistent from the ultra-wide, but with equal sharpness on both phones. The 3x zoom shows the same result in sharpness and detail, with the Z Fold 4 producing a more vibrant image. When pushing into the extended space zoom range at 10x and 30x, both perform the same. The last set of landscape shots from the ultra-wide to the extended zoom shows the same consistent results, with the Fold 4 producing a more vibrant image with more shadow detail. The S22 Plus, on the other hand, produces a sharper image overall, especially when you consider the performance of the ultra-wide camera. Although both produce great front-facing selfie photos, I overall prefer the results from the S22 Plus, even when moving over to portrait mode. For the last set of daytime photos, things take a swing back and forth. When looking at the ultra-wide, I personally feel the S22 Plus pulls ahead with a better overall image, even though the Fold 4 is more vibrant. When moving over to the main sensor, the Fold 4 image is much more preferred with better skin tones. The portrait mode at 1x is equally good on both, with a slight preference towards the Fold 4, and then things even out to look the same at the 3x portrait zoom mode, with slightly better performance on the S22 Plus in terms of background blur. Let's move over to nighttime photos, and starting with the ultra wide, and by far the S22 Plus is the much better camera when in the standard mode and not using night mode on the ultra wide camera. Things come back to a much better place when switching to the main wide sensor, with the Fold 4 producing a slightly warmer tone. Zoom does look better processed and cleaner on the Fold 4 as well. This extreme low light situation is extremely difficult on both phones, with a slightly brighter image on the wide sensor on the S22 Plus. The difference maker is night mode, with a cleaner image on the ultra wide and more noise on the Fold 4, and also an equal look to both phones in the main wide sensor with night mode, bar a warmer tone on the Z Fold 4. For low light selfies, I captured without night mode, with night mode, and then with front screen flash, and then did the same with portrait mode as well. Take a look at the results and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Last set of low light photos, and this time with the rear camera and me as the subject. You can see that both ultra wide struggle and really need night mode for the images to become usable. When moving over to the main wide sensor, there seems to be more noise on the S22 Plus compared to the Fold 4, which has a much cleaner look. Night mode looks to work good on both, with what looks like a slightly better detail overall on the Fold 4. Let's conclude with the video performance, and starting with the selfie. As good as both are, as they do record the same resolution and frame rates, I do prefer the overall colors, especially when it comes to skin tones on the S22 Plus selfie. Apart from that, detail and sharpness are all good on both, with excellent stabilization, including even in video portrait mode. Things change around when moving over to the rear cameras for video, because in fact, when I'm actually in the frame as a subject, I much prefer the look of video from the Z Fold 4 with better colors and skin tones. It is good to see that we do have 8K 24 frames a second, that it has been added to the Fold 4 thanks to having the same 50 megapixel sensor as the S22 Plus. But the biggest downside to the Fold 4 is the lack of 4K UHD 60 frames a second video recording on the ultra wide, which is something you can do on the S22 Plus. Apart from that, they are both on par with the same shooting modes. Low light video on the rear cameras on both are the same, and as always, it's highly recommended to stick to the main wide sensor rather than the ultra wide when shooting video in low light. For low light video selfie, there is more noise on the Fold 4 with the S22 Plus having a cleaner image, but the difference here is nothing to write home about, as personally, both are not that usable. That is it with this ultimate camera comparison between the Z Fold 4 versus the Galaxy S22 Plus. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.